Hi, I got a med kit on the first floor.
Once the basic mold is complete,
And I started, my anchor started at like 30 something, so I didn't had enough to buy a bandage or a med kit, so I found a med kit over here.
until the desired thickness and strength.
Hold on. I found a med kit over here. Oh,
After the resin has fully cured, the temporary mold has served its purpose.
I'm so close to completing the mastery. I just need the last one, like survive a floor.
Perfectly matches the intended shape.
Yeah, just a
Using
floor.
the very same technique, the builder moves on to create the second half of the propeller housing.
That's all, with all the people
It is ready for the
and
next
stuff.
stage of assembly.
Yippee. I might make this into a short or not. I have no clue. I just play for funsies.
Little by little, it becomes clear what these pieces are intended
By the way, I'm so close to doing noob.
veins of a homemade stator,
Noob is like,
specifically for this amphibious project.
let me just pick that for
Blades by hand
no
is
reason.
no easy task.
Noob
Has to match the others as closely as
is
possible
like
to reduce vibration
5
and improve
or
performance
4 more
once everything is assembled.
levels to go till milestone 4. And Slasher, 24 more levels until milestone 4. I might do the strategy what I did with Jane.
Small adjustments continue throughout the
Just go to 98 and
plays just as big a role as the tools themselves.
go to 98, then start recording.
Milestones have been reached. The hull is now protected
Or I
by
might record when there's something funny.
first custom-made components for the
I see
propulsion
Shrimple coming over here. Shrimple, I was so close. Buddy.
The next component to take shape is the shaft guide, a small but essential part of the entire propulsion system. Fabricated from metal, it is designed to support the spinning drive shaft, while being perfectly aligned as it rotates. The drive shaft is carefully fed through the shaft guide, connecting the motor inside the hull to the impeller at the rear.
I'm so sorry, Dandy, but these are the worst. They're the worst. I'm so sorry, Dandy.
If the shaft isn't perfectly aligned, the entire
I'm sorry, Danny, but maybe next one?
excessive weight or even failure. That's why
Oh, but Dandy, he said. But he's so junky stuff.
once installed, the system finally starts to make sense. As the motor spins, the drive shaft carries that rotation directly to the
Okay,
impeller. The
there we
impeller
go.
then pulls water in and forcefully pushes it out the back, generating the thrust needed to drive the amphibious boat forward. It's a simple concept in theory, but it becomes the beating heart of the entire machine. After several rounds of test fitting, the moment of truth finally arrives. The propeller housing is positioned one last time, and this time everything lines up exactly as planned. With that confirmed, it's permanently bonded to the rear of the hull, as though it were molded as a single piece from the very beginning.
You gonna have it? A little bit. You going to? Huh? You going to? What? You going to? Have it.
Wait, was Shrimp on the board? I don't remember.
The steering nozzle is
You're
designed
gonna never
to
see it,
side to side. By
but I'm
redirecting
gonna
the
get
high-speed
all of
cycle
the.
water leaving the impeller. It allows the entire craft to turn without the need for a traditional rudder.
I need the researches.
Just ahead of the steering assembly, another clever feature is built into the housing. A small angled pickup tube captures part of the moving water and channels it back into the hull. Instead of going to waste, that continuous flow will be used to cool the motor and onboard onboard electronics
You guys
while the
are doing
amphibious boat is in operation. Once this part is done, the next task focuses on the power source itself.
I don't mind the background.
This
Yippee.
component
Oh my
added to the
gosh,
project is a right-angle
Rainbow.
marine gearbox, a compact assembly that plays a critical role in transferring power to the propulsion system. At first glance, it looks like a solid block of cast metal, but inside, a set of precision bevel gears is responsible for changing the direction of rotation by 90 degrees.
Oh my gosh.
Inside the gearbox, the rotation is redirected through
I think
the
this
internal
is
gears
why
before
I
reaching the
need
output flange on the opposite side. That output serves as the mounting point
I need
for the next
chocolate
stage of the
or
propulsion
the
system, sending
bottles.
power towards the jet drive assembly.
By the way, my highest score is 6.
Now comes a step that can make or break the entire drivetrain.
I miss my
Gearbox is ready,
main. Why are
but
people
without the right
talking
connection
so
point,
much?
none of it will work. The first component to
I'm
be
doing
installed
it
is
so
the
people
input, creating the mounting point that ties the gearbox to the power source. Then comes the input shaft hub, designed to receive the motor's drive shaft.
All I need to find is a bandage and I'll be fine.
With everything finally assembled, the gearbox is ready for its. Every turn of the motor can now flow into the internal gears, transferring power deeper into the propulsion system and bringing the homemade amphibious boat another step closer to its first run. The project doesn't stop there.
Oh, I
Since
could
this
have done
amphibious
the.
craft
Oh
is
my
also
gosh, I
designed
could
to
have done the
travel on
third
land,
one.
attention now turns to
No.
the ordnance that has been waiting in the background since
Ooh.
the beginning of the build.
Okay. Tisha. We have Tisha and Finn. We'll be alright with Finn because we're not slowed down
The rear
anymore.
wheel is stripped down and modified to suit its new purpose, while several surrounding components are removed, cleaned, and prepared for reassembly. The builder places a custom sprocket adapter plate over a smaller center sprocket, checking that every tooth lines up exactly as intended. This way, the system gains a significant gear reduction. In other words, it sacrifices top speed in exchange for something far more valuable, torque.
Finn! No!
With that finished, the welding torch comes back out. More recycled steel tubing from the bicycle frame is cut and welded into place, creating additional reinforcement for the growing
Finn
structure.
and
One weld at a
Tisha,
time,
right?
the assembly becomes
Oh
stronger,
my
more
gosh.
rigid, and better prepared for
Why
the
is
loads it will
that? Why
face
does that
once the
always
amphibious
happen?
vehicle is finally put in
Why? Okay, also, I fixed Noob. It might be
Now the
right.
project takes
I
an
don't know.
unexpected turn.
But I
What used to be an
fixed
ordinary
Noob.
bicycle is
Yippee.
slowly transforming into a high-powered
Bye-bye.
electric machine.
Bye.
And at the center of it
Wait,
all
hold on. I have
sits
an
a
idea.
massive leopard hobby brushless motor, a component originally built
Oh,
for this
wrong one.
DIY vehicle.
Bye-bye. Bye.